There are several websites and apps that allow you to earn money by participating in online surveys. Here are the steps you can follow to start earning. Research and select a legitimate survey site. There are many websites that offer paid surveys, but not all of them are legitimate. Look for reviews and ratings of the survey sites before signing up. Sign up and create a profile. After selecting a legitimate survey site, sign up and create a profile. Be sure to fill out your profile completely so that you can be matched with surveys that fit your demographic. Complete surveys. Once you are signed up and your profile is complete, you will start receiving survey invitations via email. You can also check the survey site for available surveys. Complete the surveys honestly and accurately to earn rewards. Redeem rewards. After accumulating enough rewards or points, you can redeem them for cash, gift cards, or other rewards, depending on the survey site. Note that earning money from online surveys may not be a significant income source and may take time to accumulate rewards. However, it can be an easy and flexible way to earn some extra income in your spare time. Thanks for watching.